Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, numbers and sequences. In that exercise 2.5 7th sum I will continue today. 6 sums already I have completed. So 7th sum is if 9 times 9th term is equal to the 15 times 15th term, show that 6 times 24 term is 0. So this is the thing we are asked to find. If 9 times 9th term, so 9 times is 9, 9th term is T9, that is the 9th term. So 9 times 9th term is equal to 15 times 15th term. So 15 times T15. Show that 6 times 24th term. 6 times 24th term, that is 6 into T24. 6 times 24th term is equal to 0. So to show, we are asked to show that 6 times of 24th term is equal to 0. So this is given. So this one is given. Okay. A, D and all it is not given. Only this much it is given. So 9 into, we will simplify this. 9 into, T9 is A plus N minus 1 into D. So A plus N is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8D. So we will write N minus 1. N is 9. So 9 minus 1 into D. Okay. So the whole thing multiplied by 9 is equal to 15 into A plus 15 minus 1 into D. Okay, so 9A plus 9 into, so this 9, first we will simplify this. 9 into A plus 8D is equal to 15 into A plus 14D. So 9A plus 9 8s are 72. 72D is equal to 15A plus 15 into 14. 5 4s are 20, 60, 15, 210. 210D. Okay. So, we will bring all the terms to one side. So, 9A minus 15A plus 72D minus 210D is equal to 0. So, 9 minus 15 is 6. Minus 6A. Then 210 minus 72. So 210 minus 72 is 8. 7 plus 3 10, 138. Minus 138D is equal to 0. So both the terms have minus 6 as the common divisor. So we will divide the whole term by minus 6. Okay, so if we divide it by minus 6, we will get A plus 138 divided by 6 is 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So we will get A plus 23D is equal to 0. So after simplifying the given thing, we are getting A plus 23D is equal to 0 we are getting. But we are asked to show that 6 times of 24th term is equal to 0. So, 6 times of 24th term is T24 is equal to 0. So, 6 into T24 is, we can write this T24 as A plus 23D is equal to 0. So, we are asked to show that this is equal to 0. Now, already we have showed that A plus 23D is equal to 0. So that A plus 23D, if we substitute it here, we will get 6 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. So we got that 6 times of T24 is equal to 0. So whatever information is given, with the help of that we got an equation. That equation, with the help of that equation, we have shown that 6 times of 24th term is equal to 0. Next sum is, if 3 plus k, 18 minus k, 5k plus 1 are in AP, then find k. So in this, T1 is given as 3 plus k, first term. T2 is given as 18 minus k. T3 is given as 5k plus 1. Okay. If we want to check the given terms are in AP, it is given that they are in AP. So, T2 minus T1 is equal to D. That we know. Then, T3 minus T2 is also equal to D. That means, if we find the difference between the terms, it will be same, since it is given in AP. So, we can write this as T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Okay, this is equal to this. So, now we know all the terms. We will substitute all those things in this, simplify it and find the value of k. So, T2 is given as 18 minus k minus T1 is given as 3 plus k is equal to T3 is given as 5k plus 1 minus T2 is 18 minus k. Okay, so 18 minus k minus 3 minus k. And I am multiplying this minus sign inside is equal to 5k plus 1 minus 18 plus k. Now we will simplify. So 18 minus 3 is 15. Minus k is minus 2k is equal to 5k plus k is 6k plus 1 minus 18 is minus 17. So now we will bring the k terms together one side. So minus 2k minus 6k is equal to minus 17 minus 15. So we will get minus 6 plus 2, 8. 8k. Minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8 is equal to minus 17 minus 15 is minus 32. So minus will get cancelled. K is equal to 32 by 8. So k is equal to 4. So we are asked to find the value of k. So we got k value as 4. X, y and z, given that the numbers x, ten, y, 24, z are in AP. So the given terms are in AP, it is given. So T1 is equal to x, T2 is equal to 10, T3 is equal to y, T4 is equal to 24, T5 is equal to z. So now we know that T2 minus T1 is equal to D. Same way, T3 minus T2 is equal to D. Then T4 minus T3 is equal to D. Then T5 minus T4 is equal to D. So all these things we know that it is D. So T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 is 10 minus x. T2 minus T1 is 10 minus x. Then T3 minus T2 is y minus 10. Then T4 minus T3 is 24 minus y. Then T5 minus T4 is z minus 24. So now if we take these two terms, we can find the value of y. Both these are equal to d only. So y minus 10 is equal to d, and 24 minus y is also equal to d. So both the left hand sides can be equated. So y minus 10 is equal to 24 minus y. From this we can find the value of y. So y is equal to, so here y, this minus y will bring it here plus y. So this is 24 plus 10. So 2y is equal to 34. So y is equal to 70. So y value I got it as 70. Y is equal to 70. Then this y value I'll be substituting in this equation, equating these two equations, these two things, that is 10 minus x is equal to y minus 10. I got the value for y as 17. So 17 minus 10 I will substitute. 10 minus x is equal to 17 minus 10. So 10 minus x is equal to 7. Minus x is equal to 7 minus 10. So minus x is equal to minus 3. So x value I got it as 3. Okay. Then I will take these two equations. Any two can be equated to find the value of z. So I am taking 10 minus x is equal to z minus 24. So x value is 3. So 10 minus 3 is equal to z minus 24. So 7 is equal to z minus 24. So z value is 7 plus 24. So z value I got it as 31. So with this I got all the three values, that is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 17 and z is equal to 31. Okay. So with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.